Hello mathematicians, welcome back to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we will be making a withdrawal from our base 10 bank checking account. You won't need any materials for Number Corner today. Let's have a look at how much we will withdraw from our checking account. Today, we will use our number cards to see how much we will take away or withdraw from our checking account. Remember, we have 2 stacks of number cards. The first stack will show us our tens. Those are number cards 1 through 3. And the second stack will show us our ones. Those are number cards 4 through 9. Let's pick our tens first. We will take 1 10 out of our checking account today. How about our ones? We will take 5 ones. What's our number all together? We will be taking 15 pieces out of our base 10 bank checking account. Let's have a look at how much we have in there right now to see if we need to decompose or take apart any of our pieces for our withdrawal today. Last time we made our withdrawals from our checking account, we were left with 73 base 10 pieces. Now we are going to take away 15 more pieces. I'm going to write our 15 pieces right underneath our 73 pieces. I have my minus or my subtraction symbol, and then my equals line underneath. Now let's think about our equation and our display for a moment. When I take my 15 pieces away today, how much do you think I'll have left? Can you make an estimate without taking anything away? Try thinking about if we'd have more than 50 pieces left or less than 50 pieces left. If you think we'll have more than 50 pieces left, give me a thumbs up. And if you think we'll have less than 50 pieces left, give me a thumbs down. Let's think of some different ways that we could solve this equation to see if our estimates are right. One way we could think of solving this equation is by drawing our base 10 pieces and then taking some of the pieces away. Just like we see in our bank that we have 7 tens and 3 ones, well, I'm going to draw a really quick sketch of what that looks like. I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. My 1, 2, 3 ones. Now I know that I'm going to need to take away 1 10 because I have 1 10 under my 7 tens in my equation. So I can just cross out one of my tens. And then I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. Well, now I need to take away 5 more, but I only have 3 right here. Well, I can take away those 3, but I still need to take away 2 more. What could I do to take away 2 more ones? Show a connection if you're starting to think about that word decompose or take apart. We would need to decompose or take apart another 10. And if we do that and move our ones over, then we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. Oops, I mean 10 tens. We need 10 to make our 10 into our ones. Now I've taken away 3 from my 5. I need to take away 2 more. So I'll cross out 2 more ones. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones left. and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Is there another way we could solve this problem? Now we might be thinking about this problem by looking at our tens and ones. I'm going to write the problem one more time. I'm going to write it in a different color so I don't get confused about my numbers and my drawings on my screen here. So if I have 73 minus 15 again, I want to check to make sure my answer is correct. My answer of 58. Well, when I look at my 73, well, I can really kind of look at my 73 and then the tens in my 15. And I know that 73 minus 10 equals 63. So then I just have my 5 ones left. Well, if I have 63 and I take away 3, well, then I'm left with 60. Well, and I know that if I take 3 away from 5, I have 2 left. So 60 isn't quite my answer because I still need to take 2 more away. And that will leave me with 58. Now, I used a different strategy, but I'm still left with the same number of 58. Well, that seemed to work out too. Well, now that I have solved my problem in 2 different ways to make sure that I'll have the right amount left in my bank of 58 squares, I'm going to change my base 10 bank checking account so it represents how many squares I have left. Now first, I need to take away my 110. Let me grab that and take it away. Well, now I still need to take away 5 more pieces. If I have 3 pieces left in my ones, well, I can't take 5 away if I only have 3. So I need to decompose a tens piece. Now I've decomposed my 10 and I moved it over into my ones so I can take away my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones and my 5 tens to show my 58 pieces. Your job today is to tell your teacher how many pieces we have left in our base 10 bank checking account. And next time we go to the bank, we'll have another withdrawal. I'll see you next time for Number Corner.